Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni. Create the reality you want at work. Work is not just a place we go to earn a living. It is a space we help create every single day. The atmosphere in the office, that energy in meetings, the morale of the team, these are not accidents. They are built by attitude, words, and actions. If you want a positive reality at work, start by being the example. Speak solutions, not complaints. Bring clarity, not confusion. Choose professionalism over pride. Every email, every conversation, every decision contributes to the culture you are shaping. Positivity does not mean ignoring problems. It means facing them with maturity and purpose. It means saying, how do we fix this instead of who is to blame? Reality at work is contagious. Negativity spreads fast, but so does excellence. When you show up prepared, respectful, and committed, others will follow. At the end of the day, remember this: you are not just working in an environment, you are helping design it. Make it disciplined, make it respectful, make it inspiring. Thank you for listening.